If you're one of the kababayan that wants to learn more about how to invest in dividend stocks, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how to understand cash flow and how I earn 11 extra monthly paychecks by investing in dividend stocks. And we're also going to look at the dividends that I received for the month of December. Hi, my name is Ron, and welcome to Pinoy Stock Investors, where we help our kababayan start their investing journey. What is cash flow? It's simply the cash that the company has paid out or received, and it's a term that we use to describe all revenues, expenses, gains, and payments that the company has realized. Another way to look at it is if it impacts the company bank account, it's under cash flow. As an investor, we want to put our money into a growing asset with a strong cash flow.
But why do we need to look at cash flow?
Because cash flow shows if a company is able to provide a sustainable return for us investors by providing consistently growing dividends or through a share buyback. It also shows how likely a company can grow by paying down its debts or by acquiring asset. An increase in cash is great, but we need to know where the cash is coming from. There are three types of cash flow: cash from operations, cash from investing activities, and cash from financing activities. Cash from operations are simply cash from sales, cash that the company paid to the supplier, interest paid on debt, and taxes. Higher cash from operations likely signifies a growing business. So kababayan, make sure if you're picking a company, check if they have consistently growing cash from operations. Whenever a company purchases or sells long-term assets like equipment and properties, we can classify it as cash from investing activities. It's usually negative because company is spending cash to reinvest by buying assets. We don't have to be worried if it's negative because the value of the asset will reflect on the company balance sheet. Cash from financing activities is the cash that the company generated from issuance of stocks, bonds, and other forms of debt and loan. Dividends and share buyback is also under this type. Positive cash from financing means that the company is raising money or increasing its debt to grow its operations. Negative cash from financing means that the company is paying out money. It's either by providing return to shareholders, by paying dividends, share buyback, or paying down debt, which is always a positive return. So how do we know if the company has strong and sustainable cash flow? With all this definition, knowing what is cash flow will help us start building monthly passive income with dividends. Higher cash from operations will let the company fund all its investing activities and return value to investors. If the company increases its cash from operations, it will provide funds to pay for investments that will help the company grow. There won't be any reason for the company to raise money through financing or stock offering. This will keep the company from accumulating debt, increasing the amount of available cash that they can return to investors through share buyback or dividends. By the way, if you also think that cash is king, hit the like button, make it turn blue. If you like this kind of content, feel free to subscribe. With that said, let's shift gears and look at the 11 extra monthly paycheck that I earned by investing in dividend stocks. This is my portfolio, and whatever you see here is my real investment. The goal of this investment is to build a portfolio that will provide an additional source of income. Starting with the latest amount that I received, Home Depot paid me $3.68, Stag Industrial paid me $5.39, Realty Income paid me $7.90, Coca-Cola paid me $11.16, SCHD and ETF paid me $2.57, Target Corporation paid me $4, one of my favorite companies, Microsoft, paid me $7.56, J&J or Johnson & Johnson paid me $11.38, Pfizer paid me $11.83, Kroger Company paid me $6.19. Lastly, Bank of America paid me $11.01. Adding all that, I received $82.67 from some of the companies that I've invested last 2021. Keep in mind that this is passive income. I did not do any extra work other than research and investing my money. Looking at this chart, this coming March, June, September, and December 2022, I will be earning my first 3-digit dividends.
If everything goes well.
I've been building this portfolio, and one of the milestones that I want to reach is to earn my first $100 paycheck. By understanding cash flow, I was able to invest in high-quality companies that provided me an additional monthly source of income. So what's our takeaway in this? First, companies with a strong cash flow will consistently provide a return to investors. By understanding cash flow, as kababayan will definitely become a successful investor. Second, it's possible to build an extra monthly income by investing in dividend stocks. Third, investing in cash flowing asset will provide a return without the need to sell your asset. So kababayan, Let me know in the comments what kind of cash flowing asset do you have. And did you already receive your first $100 a month return? Let's continue the discussion down below. If you get value in this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel to get updates on my future videos. It's free and it will definitely help my channel. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. I hope you guys like this video and see you in the next one. Peace.